Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. PC Mentor is here and welcome to a new video tutorial on my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be showing you that how we can enable the voice chat feature in Among Us. Most of the online game available nowadays have this functionality, and I will show you the best alternative that how we can enable this chat option on our PC. Nowadays, it is one of the most trending game ever. If you are Google this Among Us voice chat, so you will find this result. Currently Among Us doesn't have a built-in voice chat functionality, so for this you have to either use the chat room like chatting with the friends, the built-in function that apart from that you can also use the Discord. So in this video I will demonstrate the Discord method, that how we can use that to chat with our friends while playing this game. Now I am going to show you the best alternative that how we can enable the voice chat. Go to the discord.com, I have given link in the description, and sign in into your account, or if you don't have any account you can easily create your account. Now as you can see, I have created a new account recently, and on the left side here you have to click on the add server and choose the template as a gaming. Here you have to enter your username. I'm gonna enter PC Mentor 77 and create it. You can choose any random name here. Now as you can see, the Discord server have been created, and here is the voice option. You can use it as long as your microphone is connected. You can copy this link and send it to your friends so they can join your Discord. So once you have added some of the friends, you can chat with them online here. Once you have invited your friends and added them to here, you can easily chat with them while playing the game. So in this way you can do that. I hope you find this video helpful. Make sure like it, and don't forget to subscribe. Officially there is no voice chat feature in the Among Us game, unfortunately, and the developer says that it is not available yet on their platform on this game. So they maybe in the future they enable this voice chat, but if you want to enable the voice chat, up till now there is no such a built-in feature in the game with which we can chat online or with the friends or talk to each other. Unfortunately there is no built-in voice feature in the Among Us, so most of the online games have this feature, and people really want this feature to be in the game. But apart from that you can use the built-in chat messages and chat instantly with your friends as long as you are using. In this way you can chat with your friends and teammates. I would suggest that don't search anymore on the internet, because there is no official built-in voice chat feature in this game up till now. Maybe in the coming we hear a good news from the developers of this game. Before I get started this video, I have a small request to you. Make sure like this video and don't forget to subscribe.